Hey, what's up everybody? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second time I'm filming this because I just tried to film it and I am a hot mess. It's like 11 o'clock at night. Everybody's sleeping, but my neighbors are being extremely nosy. That's not the word I wanted to use. Noisy. That's the word I wanted to use. So basically in the past, you've seen me open things from a site or a company called Influenster with a T. And basically it's a free website where you can review products. I try to review mostly beauty products. That seems to be what they're mostly about, but there are different genres of products that you can review on there. And in return, you get a chance to receive free stuff to test and review. And sometimes you get things called Voxboxes, where it is a box that they send you full of different stuff. They send it again complimentary or free, and in return they just ask that you follow these certain tasks. So post a picture of this on Instagram and tag this, or review this on our website, or review this on Sephora's website, and then they have you take a big survey at the end. I already kind of made a video going into a little bit more detail than that, so I will link you guys below if you guys want like a super thorough, like detailed explanation of how this website works. Let me know. I can make a video like that. But that in a nutshell is what this is. So I was selected to receive a box. This is the Vacay box. Vacay box. I don't know. I thought maybe the box like muffled up my words. So some boxes you get are lower in price. Some of them are higher in price. My last box was about $200. Probably more $150, not $200, probably more $150. And this one's on the lower side, but it's really cool nonetheless. You get things like coupons. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of the things that you can get from this company, and I have the list of things and their prices here. So I'm just gonna go in order again. This is a smaller box, but still free stuff nonetheless that I'm excited to try. This is the Invisibobble, and it is one of those hair rings or hair ties that kind of looks like a scrunchie. So it's supposed to be invisible, and it has like little picture instructions on the box. I am terrible at doing my hair, so when it comes time to review that, I might be in for a rude awakening. I'm not sure if I'm the best person to test products such as this, but I've actually heard really good stuff about, you know, these types of things. The scrunchy rubber band type hair tie, is that how you would describe that? Not sure. And then they also sent me one of these, and this is from Sour Patch Kids. I've actually tested products from Sour Patch Kids through Influenster in the past, but this time they sent me a little thing to stick on the back of my phone. Probably not something I would buy myself, but you can put like your card and your ID in there, and it can be really helpful, especially for the ladies if you don't want to carry a big purse around everywhere. I've definitely used those in the past. These last two items are probably what I'm most excited about. They're from a company called Eva NYC, which I've also tested their products through Influenster in the past. So we have, this is their Clean It Up shampoo. I really like their packaging. It's kind of like a tie-dye, sort of like, I would describe it as like a hippie feel. If you guys watch my videos, you see that I own about like 1,000,002 tie-dye shirts. I've tried their dry shampoo before and I really liked it, so I have high hopes for their products. This is a Eva NYC. It's called Main Magic. I need to get my hair cut and dyed so bad. But this is a 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil for all types of hair. So a hair primer, and that's like a nice little sample. This is a nice little sample of shampoo as well. It'll definitely last me a little bit. So let's go through some prices so you guys can kind of get an estimate of like what the value is for this one specifically. Alright, so this is only 1 fluid ounce, but a 6-ounce bottle is just $12. And I do remember that about that company is that they are fairly affordable, so that's good. If you're looking for like a decent, affordable dry shampoo, definitely check out Eva NYC. The Clean It Up shampoo, a regular 16-ounce bottle of this is $8.99. So again, good stuff. I haven't tried the shampoo personally, but good stuff, affordable for shampoo. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm missing something. Okay, so I can't believe I lost that. I was going through everything and I was like, I feel like this is like not everything that I just went through before I started filming. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, so let me get my card back. So, along with everything I just showed you, they also sent me a pair. This is from the company Kiss, and they also make really like decent like stick-on nails that just have little adhesive tabs. So they sent me a pair of their lashes, and I am terrible at putting on falsies, so that will be an experience, but I will, with everything, give my honest review. Those are the Kiss Blowout Lashes, and this is called Page Boy. If you guys want to see like a little close-up of those. Those retail for $4.49, so very affordable lashes. I will let you guys know how that goes. Lastly, the Invisibobble. I have to read it, otherwise I will 100% say it wrong. The Invisibobble it retails for $7.99. So that is basically, in a nutshell, everything that I got. So again, you guys are gonna see posts on Instagram, Twitter. I don't think they do post on Snapchat. Don't quote me on that though. So you guys are gonna see updates from me over the next couple of months, tagging Influenster, tagging these products, doing things that they asked me to do in return for my honest review and opinion on them. And that's really all they ask of you, and that, you know, you make sure that you let the people know I got this product to review it, and this is my opinion, and that's how it goes. So, oh, I am so tired, and I feel like I hate filming videos this late at night because I feel like I'm so quiet because everybody else is sleeping and my walls and my house are paper thin, like they're just... Anyways, guys, that's it. I wanted to go through this with you. Keep an eye out for what I think of these products on my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And as always, that information is in the description box below. Feel free to like this video if you liked it. Check out Influenster. It's a really cool website. I enjoy it. I like it. And subscribe to my channel, this channel right here that you're watching right now. That would be cool because I like hanging out with everybody. Okay, before I get even more delirious than what I already am, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Bye.